welcome back to my channel. For today's video, pupuntahan po natin sasalubungin po natin si Cee Max. Papunta po ako ng airport, pero ako po yung na-late. So si Cee Max na po ang susundo sa akin dito sa may metro. Ayan, usapan po namin kasi yung is 7:20 po yung lalapag siya sa airport, pero na-late po ako kasi ang dami ko po pong ginawa. So, dito na po ako sa metro. Sabi nga nasa metro na din daw siya. Okay, Cee Max is here.
Oh,
na-late ako. Ang tangkad niya. Samantalang ako late. Say hi.
Hi.
Shout out to Florienel and Max.
My besties. Shout out Chen Vlog and Florienel.
Yay.
LeBron James. Leron Fe.
Shout out mga besties. Ayan. Kasama ko na siya. Bibili kami ng ticket. Tsaka pupunta kami kina Espanyolang Hilaw. Ayan. Bye. See you. Akad niya. Promise. Ayan. Naglalakad na kami at kikitain namin sa Espanyolang Hilaw. So makikikain po kami sa Espanyolang Hilaw. So ayan po si Cee Max.
Hey, how you doing, guys?
So, kamusta ka, JC?
Ayos lang.
Oo, ayos lang daw siya. Kamusta ang biyahe?
What? Viaje? How was my
For travel?
trip? Okay. It was okay. It's a little bit of a shock because I just got back from Italia, and everyone there says grazie, prego. Now you come here and it says gracias, de nada. So it's very difficult to try to change like that within like 2 hours or so. But it's okay. I love it.
Wow. Ayan. Lakad-lakad pa kami ngayon sa malamig na lugar. Sa malamig at hinahanap namin ng restaurant kung saan kami kakain. Ayan. Maybe here. Ayan. So, ganda-ganda ni Espanyolang Hilaw. Red na red. At Cee Max, of course. Ayan. Kita-kita po kami kakain po kami dun sa may Asian restaurant ulit. So, nandito na po kami, Cee Max. And Espanyolang Hilaw is here also. Ayan. Kita-kita na po kami at kakain na kami. So, ayan.
Everyone's vlogging.
So, Cee Max, I will ask you in Tagalog. So, this one.
So I know this is Isda. If you watch my previous vlogs, I did an entire Mindoro, what do you call it? Palenque market. So we know about the Isda. And so I know this is Pusit.
Wow, it's a pusit.
Pusit, that's already in my vlog. We got some alimasag, and then we have some hipon.
Wow, great. Easy.
Right? I'm
Tagalog-
becoming Filipino, eh?
Your Tagalog is magaling. So,
Magaling. Gracias.
Hi. Ayan.
Your head is cut off.
Kakain muna kami. Ayan.
And your head is
Cee
cut
Max
off.
and Espanyolang Hilaw. Ayan. So,
Guys,
kami ngayon
samahan niyo kami sa aming mukbang.
Sakain tayo sushi. Ayan. Gutom na po siya. Ang dami niya po kinain. Sa Espanyolang Hilaw na pakapayat pero ang dami po niya kinuha.
Hindi pa yan, may part pa. Meron pang
So,
part.
do you like, gusto mo yung pansit?
No, I don't like it. No me gusta. Why? Bakit? Kasi it's malamig. They didn't put it under the heater long enough. So I'm eating cold pancit.
So, we can ask for a heater.
It's okay. But no one loves to eat cold pancit, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
So, but for me, it's a 2 out of 10. Sorry.
Ayan. So, sa
Pancit is
akin,
failed.
sa akin naman is sushi.
But this one, the big noodles is hot.
It's hot.
At meron pa silang mangga. Sarap.
Sarap.
Later. Ayan, you can do shout out please.
You guys should do a live LS right now. You didn't think about that? No. You should do that. A live LS.
Shout out live Shout out for
Chin Vlog, Florienel, Fishball,
Shout out
all my
Fishball.
besties, Grattino, Pratamish.
Patamesh Vlog.
Yes.
Of course, Patamesh and Grattino, Mami Ace. Ayan.
Yes.
Thank you.
I'll watch your video tomorrow.
Yeah, Patamesh, my friend. Thank you so much.
Yes, you guys should do an LS. What are you doing today? The Bluetooth family. ManongBluetooth.
ManongBluetooth shout out.
Mommy Bluetooth, baby Bluetooth. How are you guys doing? We're here in Madrid. I'm here with Travel Ness. I told you I was gonna make it if you paid attention to her LS. She mentioned it like every day. So I'm here. Nandito ako, right? Nandito ako? Okay. So we're here, guys.
More friends, more organic friends.
You guys are already my friends, but watch my videos and then we can be true friends.
Espanyolang Hilaw is there also. Shout out po sa lahat.
Salamat.
Ayun, tapos na po yung dinner namin with Cee Max sa Espanyolang Hilaw. So, my friend, do you like the food?
Oo.
Great. So, it's the pancit. Do you like the pancit? No? How about the sushi?
The sushi was okay. The pancit, no, because it was too cold, guys. Way too cold. I like my food hot.
How about the dumplings?
I didn't try the dumplings. You did. So how were the dumplings?
Yeah, masarap. Because it's my favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
So that means you're Korean now.
So, a little. Yeah, Korean dumplings and sushi. I like it.
Right. So do I. I love sushi.
Sushi.
Absolutely.
How about the frutas?
She's referring to the frutas. But in Tagalog, they say frutas with a P. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna give the frutas a thumbs down. Sorry, guys. Nasty. Bakit? This kaki, the Chinese kaki, is out of season. They stopped making these, they stopped growing a long time ago, but they still have it. So, no good. Piñas, same thing. It's very sour, out of season. This is December, guys, so yeah.
So, nagustuhan mo tong restaurant na to? Do you like this restaurant?
Gusto, I like it. Just not the frutas.
Is that only good food?
The food was okay.
Okay? Ayan. Basta po yung ano. So, don't forget to subscribe. Cee Max and Espanyolang Hilaw. Ano po sa Espanyolang Hilaw with the kiddos niya. So, hindi po siya makakapag-join na yun. So, ayun. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you.
See you in our next video with Cee Max.
We're gonna do an LS together, guys, so can't wait for that.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe and share our channel.
Bye!
Bye!
Ayan, so tapos na kaming kumain with Travel Ness and Cee Max. Ayun, ano naman, nakakabusog sobra kasi syempre, di ba, buffet.
Dami namin kinain.
So, marami din ako mga nakain. Pansit, chicken, and pizza, bread pizza, ostre. Pero hindi ako nag-soft drinks kasi sobrang busog talaga ako.
Sobra din kami. Salamat! Salamat Espanyolang Hilaw.
Salamat din Travel Ness and kay Cee Max na dumayo pa talaga dito para lang mamit ako ulit. Kasama aking mga kiddos pero syempre hindi sila pwedeng makita sa ano. Kaya, ayan. Salamat sa pagsama sa aming mukbang, guys. So, huwag kakalimutan mag-subscribe kay Travel Ness, Espanyolang Hilaw, and Cee Max.
So ayan, magaling na po si Cee mag-Tagalog. Malapit na ata siyang tumira ng Pilipinas. Ayan.
Of course.
Galing niya.